Matthew, what does this mean for the future of OpenAI?
Hi, Joe. So this is really great news for the future of OpenAI. This lawsuit potentially threatened to hang over the company's head. Elon Musk was seeking court-issued limitations on the company's ability to pursue its for-profit mission, and really to be limited and hamstrung by its original charitable roots. And so this win for the company reduces that risk. It eliminates that shadow potentially hanging over the company. The jury came back with this decision very quickly. It took the case late Thursday after closing arguments. They were off on Friday. They were deliberating this morning and very quickly returned a verdict against Elon Musk. And they didn't even need to reach the merits, the questions, the legal questions. They said on the statute of limitations, did Musk sue too late? Yes, he knew of this earlier and effectively could have sued earlier, and because he sued too late, the whole case gets dismissed. And so it's a complete win for OpenAI, and this risk that potentially could have hung over the company is now out of the way. Potentially Musk could appeal on this, but I think it will be tough to undo a jury decision that the judge immediately adopted as her own view.
Boy, this is really something. The suggestion that he sued too late tells you what, Matt?
I mean, it was always a difficult factual case for Musk because, look, a lot of these negotiations about starting up OpenAI happened in 2016, 2017, 2018, and we're looking at a lawsuit that Musk didn't bring until much after that. And so one of the reasons we have a statute of limitations is that we want parties to act when they have claims, pretty quickly. You can't just sit on these things and then once you want to go after someone, bring it up many years down the road. And so basically what this jury is saying is that, look, even if Musk had a real claim that OpenAI was supposed to operate as a charity, not seek a for-profit mission, you should have brought that claim a couple years ago because you knew about it, effectively the jury's saying, many years ago, and you did nothing about it. And then you sued too late to try to go after it now.
Matt, does this settle the whole question, the whole nonprofit question when it comes to OpenAI?
For purposes of this litigation, it should. Now, as I said, I think Musk could appeal this decision to the Ninth Circuit and try to overturn this jury's decision, but appeals courts have a really hard time second guessing a jury decision. And so I don't think it's very likely that this gets disturbed on appeal. Questions of whether a charity has been misused are typically reserved for state attorneys general. So the California Attorney General could have something to say about it. The Delaware Attorney General could have something to say about it. But in this case, they've both signed off on how OpenAI has proceeded. They've not raised concerns, which was one of the weird things about this case, is typically suits like this would be brought by those states' attorneys general, and they didn't have a problem with it. They did not actively litigate against what OpenAI has done. It was only Musk bringing what he claimed was a breach of charitable trust claim after his contract claim sort of fell away, that was trying to pursue those issues. But this loss, yes, I think basically should end the issue for OpenAI.